Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. I'm back with yet another Bosch washing machine. It's a Classixx 1200 Express WAE24162GB/03. Looks okay, it's not new, bit of yellowing on the plastic there. Rubber door seal's in fairly good nick. There's a bit of something in there, but that doesn't matter. Sounds okay. When you spin it, when you turn it on, I've already done this. The lights come on, so I'm going to put it onto a spin cycle and just see if the motor is working. I'd really like a rinse and spin. Don't have that option on this one. Let's go. Clunk. Could be a motor problem. No, pump's working. Spin lights just come on. Sounds like there's some water in it, but that pump's not going to work because there's no water, not enough to pump. You should get a motor action. I got this machine on eBay for the bargain price of £1, which is basically less than it cost me to go and collect it in terms of diesel. You can hear the pump, but I don't see it spinning. And that could be the issue. So when it doesn't spin, could be brushes, could be the motor, could be this problem that we see a lot at the moment, or that I seem to see a lot, is that with Bosch machines, is this earth leakage thing in the motor. And I don't think this is going to happen. Right, this thing's not turning at all. Same old problem. If you've got any ideas other than that, let me know in the comments. I'll probably put up another video of working with this and working with the brushes as a number 2 to this video, or else just edit it in with this one. That's the symptom so far. I can hear clicking inside in the board, so it sounds like it's got a solenoid coming on and off and the motor's not running. Could be a solenoid problem, but I think I can hear it clicking, so I don't think it is. Okay, I'll leave it for a while and see if it gets an error light coming up. So there's nothing more to it. It's beeped and it's gone to end. Door opens again, start lights flashing just at the end. There's nothing happening there. That to me says motor all over it. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you later.